solve dou square z by dou y square is equal to z, given that when y equal to 0, z is equal to e raised to x and dou z by dou y is equal to e raised to minus x. Let us, okay, now differentiate z with respect to y, only single independent variable. Okay, now first of PDE convert into ODE, find the roots, write in a complementary function, again convert into PDE, use the condition, we get the solution. Let us see. Okay, let us suppose that z is a function of y only one independent variable, y only. Okay, now this PDE convert into ODE means like this. This is partial differential equation and this is an ordinary differential equation. D square z by dy square equal to z, or d square z by, sorry, this is d, dy square minus z is equal to 0, or this one is d square minus 1 into z equal to 0. D stand d by dy. Okay, in this example d stand d by dy. Now auxiliary equation is m square minus 1 equal to 0, or m square is equal to 1, or m is equal to plus or minus 1. Okay, now solution of the ODE. Now solution of the ODE, ordinary differential equation, is given z is equal to, the roots are different, c1 e raised to y plus c2 e raised to minus y. Now write in a PDE, the solution of the PDE, partial differential equation. Now this one is, the PDE is got by c1, replacing c1 and c2, this one c1 and c2 by function of x. In PDE is like this, z is equal to, c1 means f of x, so I have to take f of x depending on this equation, dou square z by dou y square, y is the independent variable, take f of x e raised to y plus g of x e raised to minus y. Now call this is equation number 1. Now you find what is f of x and g of x using condition. Conditions are given. Okay, now condition is, using conditions, condition is, one is y equal to 0 and z is equal to e raised to x in equation number 1. Using condition in equation number 1, z is equal to e raised to x is equal to, and f of x e raised to y means 0, e raised to 0 plus g of x e raised to 0. Okay, now therefore e raised to x is equal to f of x plus g of x. You know the e raised to 0 is a 1. Okay, next condition is, one is dou z by dou y is equal to e raised to y, and second one is same, again y is equal to 0. Dou z by dou y means differentiate equation number 1, then you get dou z by dou y. Now differentiate 1 with respect to y partially, x treated as a constant. Now differentiate this one, dou z by dou y is equal to, f of x is f of x, okay, e raised to y differentiate e raised to y only, and g of x as it is, differentiate e raised to minus y is a minus e raised to minus y. Now use this condition, dou z by dou y equal to e raised to y, y is equal to 0. Using these two conditions in this equation, e raised to y equal to, y is a 0, f of x e raised to 0 minus g of x e raised to 0. You know that e raised to 0 is a 1. Therefore e raised to y is equal to f of x minus, sorry, e raised to what? No, sorry, this is a e raised to x. Sorry, e raised to x. Dou z by dou y is equal to e raised to x. This is e raised to x. Sorry, make a correction. E raised to x, f of x minus g of x. Okay, now is therefore one is e raised to x is equal to f of x plus g of x, and second one is e raised to x is equal to f of x minus g of x. Now find f of x and g of x, substitute here. Okay, now this is very simple, adding and subtracting these two equations. Adding and subtracting these two equations, adding and subtracting. First you add it. Okay, now add it. E raised to x plus e raised to x is equal to f of x 2 f of x plus g of x minus g of x get cancelled, or only f of x is equal to 2 is cross multiply e raised to x plus e raised to x divided by 2. Sorry, one is e raised to x, condition is dou z by dou y is equal to e raised to minus x. Sorry, mistake, this is minus sign, this is minus sign, this is minus. Now adding, sorry, and this is a hyperbolic function, means is a cos hx. Next, subtracting these two equations, e raised to x minus, this one is minus, e raised to minus x is equal to, plus minus get cancelled, minus minus plus 2 times g of x. Subtracting these two equations, or g of x is equal to e raised to x minus e raised to minus x, 2 is cross multiply means divided by 2. This is a hyperbolic function sin hx. F of x, g of x using in equation number 1. Okay, now equation number 1 becomes z is equal to f of x is a cos hx e raised to y plus g of x is a sin hx e raised to minus y. This is required solution.